Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will now learn what is a carry forward leave. Carry forward leave or leave balance transfer or leave accrual is the unused leave from one year that gets added to the next year's balance. For HR administrators or the owners, it involves setting up the rules and the limits for how much leave can be carried forward to the next year. For the staff and the team members working in the organization, it's the leave balance they can view and use in the new year based on those configured settings. So now let's get started as to how these settings can be applied. So click on the LeaveHub app. As a HR administrator or the owner, click on the particular leave type for which we want to define the carry forward leave. Go under the carry forward information section. The very first question is like, allow this leave type to be carried forward to the next year. Here for demonstration purpose, we are using the casual leave which will be carried forward to the next year. Then the second question is, allow this leave type to be encashed after its expiry, whether a payment has to be made to the team member if the leave is unused at the end of the expiration period. So now the carry forward limit, we are mentioning 5. This means 5 days can be carried forward to the next year. Then we have mentioned the period for how long it will be valid. We're mentioning it 180 days. Once we click on the save, the policy settings are saved, and now we can see the 29 June 2026 these leaves will be expired. Now we'll see how to assign the leave type to the user. So this particular leave type, which is a casual leave, will be now assigned to the particular team member so that he can start using this particular leave type in the current year. So here for the current year, we are mentioning the allowance as 7 days. This is for demonstration purpose. Now we can see this leave is carry forward. Information comes up here. The expiry date is 29 June 2026 and it's encashable. Now we'll see how to import the previous year carry forward balance. So let's say you started using the Leave app from 2025 and we want to import 2024 data. So click on the import template. So this will download an Excel template in which the information needs to be added and that data has to be then imported in the system. So the first column is the work policy year. So we want to import data for the previous year. So here the work policy year will be 2024. Then we have to mention the email ID of the team member whose carry forward leave balance has to be imported in the system. Then we have to mention the leave type. The leave type has to be exactly same as what is configured in the system. Then the allowance is 5, the used is 2, and available balance is 3, and its encashable is yes. And the expiry date for the 2024 leave balance we will mention as 31st October 2025 or 2026. Then we'll mention the second row. So this way we will keep on adding the data for all the team members whose previous year carry forward leaves has to be added in the system. So again we'll enter the email. Then we'll mention the leave type as casual leave. Allowance is 5, used is 3, and carry forward available balance is 2, and cashable yes. So this is a one-time configuration which needs to be done whenever you start using the system. So now we'll import these 2 rows into our system. In order to import the data, we have to again go back to the active user page. In the users, we have import carry forward. So we have to click on this option. It will open our dialog box. We'll import template which we entered the data. The message comes like carry forward records have been uploaded successfully. Now we'll validate whether the 2 rows which were there in the Excel are coming up in the system or not. So we can see under Jack Lee the data has entered like 2024 and it's valid till 2026. Similarly, for Daniel Scott, we can see the previous year 2024 data has been imported. Now we'll see from the user point of view how this carry forward leave balance is consumed when they try to apply for a specific leave. So this is the balance for Jack Lee, and now we'll try applying a leave. So under the apply leave section, we'll go select one day, then mention 30th September 2025, one day, and when we select casual leave, we can see the previous year's balance comes up, and it's mentioned very clearly if a leave is being applied for this particular leave type, then it will be consumed from the carry forward balance. So now the leave has been applied. Now if we goes to the leave balance, we can see the leave balance for the carry forward area section is reduced. It has become now 2. Initially it was 3 balance, and now it has become 2. So that's it in this video tutorial. We hope you understood about the carry forward leave balance. Thank you.